Hello, and welcome back to Coin Lady channel. If you have 300 XRP tokens or more, you're in the clear. This is required viewing for everyone who cares about or owns XRP tokens. What's the most recent update on XRP? What impact will this have on the price of XRP? I will address these concerns in today's video. You still have a good chance of becoming a millionaire thanks to XRP. And I'm going to tell you about all the recent developments in the market that have pushed the price up. The current XRP price is 51 cents, and the 24-hour trading volume is $758 million. The price of XRP has increased by 0.1% over the past 24 hours and 6.6% over the past 7 days. There are currently 48 billion XRP coins in circulation, with a total of 100 billion available. Remember that by the time you watch this video, pricing may have changed. Putting money into the cryptocurrency market is dangerous, and the content here is not financial advice. Do your own homework before putting your money into anything. Some of the most popular places to buy and trade XRP are KuCoin, eToro, and GateHub. Let's get down to business right this minute. Now, let's watch the video. Attorney Jeremy Hogan for XRP programmatic sales says SEC's appeal will be difficult. In 2023, on July 13, respected researchers often host guests. As part of the ongoing legal battle between the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission and Ripple Labs, a district judge from the United States District Court for the Southern District of New York issued a complex opinion. In a complaint filed in December of 2020, plaintiffs claimed that Ripple and its top executives, Bradley Garlinghouse and Christian A. Larson, had engaged in fraudulent securities offerings and sales. Section 5 of the Securities Act of 1933 was allegedly broken. The SEC also claimed that the executives knew about the infractions and helped cover them up. Both sides have filed applications seeking summary judgment with the court. The court's decision was split, partially granting the SEC's and Ripple's and its executives' requests, but also rejecting others. When it came to institutional sales, however, the court did grant the SEC's move for summary judgment. In contrast, Larson and Garlinghouse's motion on programmatic sales, other distributions, and sales was granted, with the exception of the institutional sales portion. In addition, the court ruled against the SEC's request that charged Larson and Garlinghouse with providing material support. Specifically, Judge Torres revealed that Larson and Garlinghouse sold XRP via blind bid/asset transactions on several digital asset exchanges. Due to the lack of mutual knowledge of identities, the third requirement of the Howey test for identifying investment contracts cannot be met. She added that XRP is not an investment contract because digital tokens do not by definition pass the Howey test. In reference to the XRP secondary market, the judge stated that the SEC did not provide sufficient evidence to prove that these were investment contracts. She highlighted that the court couldn't make that call because the proceeds from the sales could never be linked back to Ripple. Yesterday, American attorney Jeremy Hogan, who has been watching the lawsuit closely, tweeted many observations about it. Although some legal actions may be on the horizon, Hogan claims that the case's practical ramifications have been settled. He stressed that, in his perspective, the public's time to worry about the case is finished. Hogan noted that the SEC had dropped all outstanding allegations, so there would be no trial in 2019. He said that the case's facts have been established and that no further information is expected to surface. He even broached the topic of reaching a compromise before a verdict is rendered. Hogan acknowledged the possibility of appeals from both parties and the SEC's stated aim to utilize statistical data in making its decision. According to Hogan, the SEC's chances of success on appeal are about 14% at most. He continued by saying that the judge's judgment, which is factually thorough, does not increase the SEC's chances. Hogan emphasized that the matter would be sent back to the trial judge for further judicial findings and decisions if the SEC were to win the appeal in 2025. This is because of the judge's wording in her ruling. in reference to the dispersal of XRP somewhere. Hogan brought up the fact that the court had not ruled on the Howey test's second and third requirements. He implied that the judge could decide in Ripple's favor on these issues. He also noted that the matter would return to the trial court for further determinations even if the appellate court sided with the SEC. Hogan said the judge appears to give fair notice arguments significant consideration. Help the channel out if you're still watching by clicking the like and subscribe buttons, and don't forget to stick around so you don't miss out on anything. Let's not tarry any longer than necessary. Continue the video, please. Expect a surge in the price of XRP to $18 or $13. Recently, a market analyst going by the alias Dark Defender predicted that XRP's price would rise to either $13 or $18 based on Elliott wave theory. The Elliott wave pattern, a popular method for analyzing market fluctuations, is the basis of this forecast. An anonymous defender of the dark has stated his or her firm belief in the Elliott wave pattern's reliability in predicting future price changes. Traders utilize Elliott wave theory, a subset of technical analysis, to examine market cycles and foretell market movements. It was created by Ralph Nelson Elliott in the 1930s. According to the idea, market activity occurs in cyclical patterns that LA refers to as waves. These swells are the result of shifts in investor sentiment and can be seen in both bull and down markets. 5 waves in the direction of the main trend are followed by 3 corrective waves, frequently denoted as 1234 in Elliott wave theory. 5 dashes for the trend waves, and the letters A through C for the corrections. In the same way that the 5-wave pattern can be decomposed into smaller wave patterns, it can also be a part of a bigger wave pattern. The wave's fractal character makes it possible to apply the theory to varying lengths of time. Elliott wave theory is used by traders and analysts to predict where prices will go in the future, as well as to establish entry and exit locations and stop-loss levels. It's important to remember that Elliott wave theory, like any other type of technical analysis, is open to many interpretations. Dark Defender noted, among other things, that there is no correlation between the value of XRP and the results of court proceedings involving Ripple. The price of XRP has not risen in tandem with the cryptocurrency's recent court triumphs against the SEC. However, Dark Defender pointed out that the position of the XRP price within the Elliott wave pattern appears to have a greater impact on the price of XRP, providing further evidence for the reliability of the pattern as a prediction tool. Dark Defender claims that XRP is finally in wave 3 of its Elliott wave pattern. This is a pivotal juncture that may herald significant price increases. Right now, currently, XRP is moving in a range between 46 cents and 50 cents, or inside wave 2 of its price action. It is expected by Dark Defender that XRP will surpass the resistance of 50 cents $2 this week, which might pave the way for a subsequent rise to 60 cents $6 over the next 7 days. In terms of quantitative goals for prices, in the not-too-distant future, Dark Defender projects XRP's price to rise to the Wave 3 median target of $5.80. However, XRP's eventual resting place may not be here. The researcher also suggested that XRP's price increase might continue until $18.20 per coin. Please note that we are not a channel that specializes in financial guidance, nor do we recommend any particular firm for investment. This is only a means via which instructional materials can be delivered to your home. Please be aware that we will never contact you over WhatsApp or any other channel to request payment. Please do not visit any links or open any attachments from people who claim to represent our channel. Instead, please report them to YouTube as scammers. It's all over today. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you later, bye.